Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Discord account. But before we proceed, please keep in mind that this method only works in certain regions as Instagram does not support this feature any longer. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and move on. Here's how you can connect your Instagram account to your Discord account. Start by opening up your Discord. You can use either the desktop app or the phone app. Once you're in, head down to the bottom left corner and click your profile picture. Then tap the user settings, which is the little gear icon at the upper right corner. Inside the settings menu, look for the option called connections. Tap it, and this is where you can link other platforms to your Discord account. Now click add, and you'll see a list of all the services you can connect and all available apps in your region. If Instagram is available in your region, it'll show up there. Just click on the Instagram icon and Discord will walk you through the connection process. It's basically authorizing your Instagram account so that the two can link together. And once that's done, your Instagram will be tied to your Discord account and people in your server can see it as one of your connected accounts. Now, if you don't see Instagram in that list like mine, that usually means the feature isn't available in your region. In that case, you won't be able to connect it directly. But you'll still notice other options like PayPal, Reddit, Spotify, and plenty of others you can link instead. And that's really all there is to it. A quick way to connect Instagram to Discord if the option is available for you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.